Okay, got Hannah here. We're laying out the groundworks and foundations for the workshop. We use the water level a bit to mark out where the front of the building is. So this is the doorway, and now we're just working out this curve here with some string and some posts. I finally found a use for these metal posts that have been sitting in the boundary for ages that I uncovered. So we're using them, triangulating, measuring off our model that's to scale, and we're triangulating and trying to get all the curves and working out where everything's going to go. So we'll carry on and we'll keep you up to date. So just using some empty bags to sort of imitate something about sort of what the wall's going to be. So we've got a curve, and then this wall will come in and tie into that one. So we're just using the string now to draw out a circle for the top of the workshop. As you can see, it's getting pretty big. So there's the front door. There's going to be another 4 meters of sort of stone and dry area out the front of there. We've got all of that and all of that. It's massive. But it's going to be cool. We need to figure out that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you reckon?
Okay, so this is my genius way. We've got the inside of this top wall marked, right? And that line runs into that curve.
Yeah.
Therefore, all we've got to do is get string from here to here and make it line up with the inside of that wall, because it is going to be a contiguous wall running up to it. What's your genius way?
My genius way is to mark the angle of the model. Lay it out the string.
What are we going to compare the two, are we?
So I reckon
that relies on that being what we've laid out on the ground being a properly accurate reflection of the model.
It is accurate.
it's quite accurate.
Well, this only needs to be quite accurate.
Okay. I like my idea better, but we can do both. Let's do both. It'll be more fun.
Whose do we start with? Because one's just going to be to confirm the other one.
Yeah.
So who's?
So no, mine's dead straightforward.
Go on then, let's do yours. So we came up with 2 different ways of figuring out this angle here, and they both worked and they both were right, but sort of got to admit that Hannah's was slightly better. Unfortunately. But I could still use my way to check it. Damn it.
I can't believe you just
I'll have to win the next one. I'm not having that happen again.
It's a life-changing event, Chris.
Not having that happen again. Right, so now we're going to mark out these curves of this building. The man cave. The man cave needs to get worked out next. So that's what we do. So we're just getting the man cave laid out here. So Hannah's just going around with string so I can sort of sight down and see the lines. Sorry about the wind, there's not a lot I can do about it. Put a coil around each one, otherwise they're gonna fall off. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. How much? That's a lot wider. Yeah, just shallow out that curve a bit. This is Kris's calibrated legs. They're oddly reliable. So we spent a lot of time marking out everything that has to be done accurately, and now Kris is eyeballing the curves that don't have to be a certain sort of size. Which is the corner of the wall post? That's the wall by the staircase.
So there it is. That's all laid out to the full scale from the model. Obviously it all needs to be excavated from the bank and levelled off and all that, and we still need to do the stone area at the front, but that's how it's going to look. It's massive, so now I'm going to take you on a little walk. So we come along here, sorry about the wind. Here's the door, so we'll walk through. Well, that's also a door, but that's kind of like big stuff door. This is passenger door. Come through the door and we're in the woodworking workshop where we're going to have benches and everything, and this will be the big retaining wall along here. Sorry about the wind again. Big doorway. Walk along here. This will be a straight wall, be a table saw here. We'll walk along here and then we can go through this doorway, which takes us into the man cave, which is also massive. It's about the size of the roundhouse. So in here there'll be sofas and wood stove and other cool stuff, and a workbench along that wall. And then we can walk out of the door again and we'll walk up the stairs. These are imaginary stairs. So walk up the stairs and then we're into the metalworking workshop, where a car can be worked on and driven in. As you can see, it's pretty massive, so you can drive a car in. There'll be a car lift, and because the walls have to be so high, because it's a metalworking workshop and I've put a car lift in there, the walls need to be high. It's going to be buried quite far into this bank, so when you look at it from up here, looking down, there'll only be about a metre of wall sticking up. So it's laid out. I'll try and give you a bit of a view from above. That's the size of it. It's big and it's going to take a long time to build. So if you're looking at this and thinking I'd like to be a part of that, sort of start maybe making some time. I'm probably going to start excavating this when the ground dries up a bit. I want lots of volunteers, help me fill the couple of thousand earth bags that are going into it. Alright, so I hope that was enjoyable, and we'll get back to doing some other soil testing and stuff videos next, and more planning. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we can.